Welcome to WEBLUCY. Let me show you around and highlight the key features that make it a game changer for growing your business online. WEBLUCY is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help businesses acquire new customers and sales leads online. It offers everything you need: a website and landing page builder, forms, quizzes, pop-ups, an advanced booking widget, an e-shop for products, services, and subscriptions, email marketing, and automations. It's intuitive, drag and drop, and packed with advanced features like custom code, webhooks, no-code platform integrations, and an open REST API. With a built-in CRM, all your data, from forms to purchases and appointments, is stored in one place. You'll have a full customer timeline, including UTM data. WEBLUCY is Consent Mode V2 compliant, so your Google Ads work seamlessly, and it includes Facebook Conversion API for accurate meta campaign tracking. When you register, pick a template and customize it to fit your needs. The left-hand menu in the builder shows all your pages, including system pages like 404. You can edit every detail, add blocks, and choose from a wide range of widgets: headings, text, buttons, icons, forms, booking, quizzes, stores, galleries, videos, sliders, countdowns, and more. Global styling ensures a consistent design. Choose fonts, upload custom ones, and set them for headers and paragraphs. Define a color palette for a unified look across your project. Under website settings, set your favicon, social sharing image, and custom domain. Add language preferences, cookie disclaimers, and connect third-party applications or webhooks. Personalize your site with placeholder chips and set up 301 redirects when needed. Edit and preview your website for desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure a perfect fit on all screens. To start selling, activate the store, add products, connect your payment method, and customize the checkout process. Sell physical products, services, memberships, or subscriptions. Use the appointments feature to create customizable booking flows for services and team members. The messaging and workflows module manages campaigns and automations. Create lists, segment data, design templates, and send emails, SMS, WhatsApp, and voice messages with Twilio integration. Set up drip campaigns and workflows to streamline your marketing. That's WEBLUCY. From creating your online presence to managing customers and automating marketing, it has everything you need to grow your business. Register today and explore what WEBLUCY can do for your business.